Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can actually restore your Metamask wallet. Basically, let's talk first about Metamask. Metamask is basically a wallet that's used to store your crypto coins. So this wallet can be really useful for you. You can download it on your PC, on your phone, and keep checking your wallet and make your transactions using that wallet. Sometimes, guys, happens to all of us that we change our MetaMask account or we change, for example, our PC, and we need to get back our wallet in the other device. So, for example, you installed it, you did everything, and you want to restore your wallet. So, what should I do in this moment, or what should I do if I forgot the password of my wallet, and etc. So, in order to get your restore your MetaMask wallet or to get it back, basically you will need this secret recovery phrase. So let me just copy this and let me remove my MetaMask. So remove from Chrome, remove, and now we're good. Now let's try to add to Chrome and do that, and it won't take that long until it's be downloaded. So here it is. So yeah, let's close this, and here it is now. So now what we're gonna do is not creating a new account, but we are going to import our account or restore our account. So import wallet, and here what we're gonna do is just paste the secret phrase that we have copied. So this is our secret phrase, and here simply we put the password. So let's copy the password and let's paste it in here. I have read and import. And simply that's how you can actually get your wallet restored. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.